Hi, I'm Andrew Schaap, CEO of Align Data Centers. Today we're here to talk about safety. Talking about why safety is important, why it's critical to Align, why it's critical to our clients, our shareholders, our partners. Quite frankly, it's important to our families.
Bring it in, everybody.
Safety inside of Aligned Data Centers is really core to our DNA, core to who we are, what we do. I would candidly put our safety program against anybody's in the industry.
Safety is the most important thing for me. Every person, every team member that sets foot on our job, it has a loved one to go home to.
I think it probably starts with a little bit of us putting our money where our mouth is. And so we continue to invest in our own on-staff safety professionals. We've got some of the best in the business.
I'll talk to the contractors and I'll ask them who's responsible for safety. If they say somebody in the safety department, then it's an opportunity to coach them. If I ask another person and they say, I'm accountable, I'm responsible for my own safety, that is what Aligned is striving for, is that type of safety culture in the way we do work.
We want to make sure it's done safely. That's our number one priority, no matter what anybody else says.
When we think about communicating with our subcontractors, it really starts at pre-con and or even the bidding process. Help our contractors understand that the EHS manual and the site-specific safety plans will be implemented and followed. And it may sound simple, but the simple things go a long way. Having the proper PPE sets the example for the crews.
I always use the example of if you walk by an unsafe condition, you're allowing somebody else to get hurt, when you could have easily reported it or fixed it yourself.
To put it in perspective about how important it is at Align for safety, the first 20 minutes of every board meeting is a safety update. Every site, every location.
You have ownership of your own safety. So us safety professionals are here to give you the tools and the knowledge to do it more safe, but you've got to be in control of your own safety.
So it might need a little bit of adjustment on that harness.
We're bringing this down.
Yep.
Success is zero. Zero injuries, zero reportables, zero first aids, all of that. Safety is a daily grind. It doesn't stop, it doesn't relent. I think success when it comes to safety is the alignment of internal teams, external teams, and whoever it might be around that commitment to the individual.
Today, our clients are expecting excellence. We're seeing safety as being a key KPI and key metric that they're looking for. They're asking us in RFPs, how's your safety standard? How do you run a safety program?
The greatest thing that I've seen about Align is that they don't just talk the talk. You can see their care for safety by their actions and the programs that they implement. That's what makes that differentiation between somebody who just talks safety and somebody who actually cares and is a foundation of theirs.
All right, let's huddle up for our PTPs. Let's have a good Friday, everyone. Thank you.